Hello Kayami! Welcome to my channel! For today's recipe, I will be making Filipino hot dogs ensaymada. The ensaymada is usually a spiral of 2 or more turns in a clockwise directions. Since I'm using hot dogs in this recipe, definitely will be long, and I also put a slit to prevent from cracking. Let's start by making tangzhong roux. This step is so important in making ensaymada to make it soft and fluffy but hollow sound and crisp from the outside. While waiting the dough to proof, I will be cooking the hot dogs. Allow to boil the water. When it's boiling, add the hot dogs. When it's almost dry out the water, add a peanut oil or any cooking oil of your choice. Steam and pan fry the hot dogs.
After 1 hour.
After 1 hour, get the dough, release the gas, and form like a ball shape. Then weigh to divide into 5, since I have 5 pieces of hot dogs. After 10 minutes, let's make hotdog ensaymada. Get 1 small dough using rolling pin, flatten into oblong shape, then slice a slit, then wrap the hot dogs. Using pizza cutter, slice a slit on your dough. If you don't have pizza cutter, you can use a paring knife or any knife that you have. Then wrap your hot dog with your dough, then seal by pinching the end same side down on the baking tray. Then do this with all your dough. hot dog that I made. Let me prove in 30 to 45 minutes. While waiting the hotdog ensaymada, I will be making the egg wash. Combine the egg yolk, evaporated milk, the sugar, and the salt. Mix thoroughly.
After 30 minutes.
After 30 minutes, stir well the egg wash before gently brushing to the top of the ensaymada to have a nice color. Then bake the ensaymada in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes. Jumbo Ensaymada. Then transfer to the cooling rack so that it will not steam since the bread are sticking together. Here's the baked hotdog ensaymada. Let it cool down before adding the toppings. By the way, I learned this idea of making hotdog ensaymada in a cafe in Seattle, Washington, but they are not using buttercream. My recipe, I'm adding buttercream to balance the flavors. While waiting the hotdog ensaymada to cool down, let's make the buttercream. Combine soap and butter, the sugar with the same amount, and a bit of vanilla extract. I also grated Edam cheese or queso de bola. Now the hotdog ensaymada is totally cooled down. I spread some buttercream mixtures on top of the ensaymada and some Edam cheese or queso de bola. Watch on adding cheese, especially if you are using cheddar cheese. The hot dog is already salty. Here's my Filipino hotdog ensaymada. Yummy!
Hello, Kayami! Okay, let's try this. What do you call it?
Hotdog ensaymada.
Hotdog ensaymada.
Okay.
Alright.
What's the taste?
It's balanced the taste of saltiness of the hot dog and the sweetness of the ensaymada. It's good, guys. Good. Yummy!
If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, write a comment, and please consider to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you again next time. Bye!